How to fix TikTok login problem. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok login problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then wait a few seconds. Right here it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find TikTok app and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you here. Click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and then click on delete. Go back and now you have to click on the data usage here and make sure to disable the background data like this and enable the mobile data, Wi-Fi and the roaming data. Everything shall be enabled. Go back into the settings of your phone, open the wireless and networks and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it for 10 seconds and then enable it back again. And now the last tip you want to do is open TikTok and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.